channel. So today I'm back with another product review video. This is a shampoo from Dove Advanced Hair Series, and this shampoo named Dove Rejuvenated Volume Weightless Formula Shampoo for thinning hair. It especially meant for thinning hair, and it mentioned here. So what it claims is it delicately cleans and strengthens your hair and gives visible volume. So first thing first, let me tell about the cost and a quantity of this product. And this product is 240 ml and it cost for rupees 250. So for 240 ml it is little bit pricey as for my point of view. So compare with other Dove series, it is bit costlier one. And the best part about Dove is always it mentioned the ingredients below and back of the product, and it has mentioned some ingredients so which I have read out, that is water, it has SLS and glycerin and some sodium hydroxide, so many things. And also it has written a statement that is it infused with a certain nutrient complex, and rejuvenated volume range doesn't moisturize your hair deeply, nourishes and locks nutrients into hair and makes your hair look more voluminous. And also it has the directions, it has mentioned the directions in the back of the packaging. So coming to my personal point of view about this packaging is, first of all, let me show you the quantity, the texture of this product. And this product is a bit runny in texture. Can you see it is bit runny in texture, and it lathers well in your hair, so that it is easy to scatter your products all over the hair. And the next thing is, it smells amazingly good. If you are a Dove lover, so then this smell is also suits you well. And it, yes, as it claims, it definitely gives certain visible volume to your hair, a bouncy kind of look, but and cleans your scalp well, nothing doubt in it. But I don't think that it strengthen hair or thickening the hair, I don't think so. But it gives a voluminous illusion to your hair. So coming to the positive side, it smells good and it has listed all the ingredients below. And the packaging is also good. It is a new kind of packaging, a tube kind of packaging. It is also something good, and it cleans the scalp very well. And it contains written that it has some coconut oil, which is very good for moisturizing your hair. And the next thing is, it smells also good and it gives a bouncy look to a hair. Definitely it doesn't weigh down your hair. For some shampoo, after you did shampooing and it seems your hair goes fully weighed down, so there is nothing weighed down in your hair. The negative I am now noted for this product is didn't thicken your hair. I can strongly say it didn't thicken your hair. And the packaging and the price is too costly. So the packaging is, if you want to try for a trial, you can afford only this 240 ml. Till now, no other packaging is released in the market, and also it prices 250. It is something bit costlier as far as my. Also it contains the product SLS drug SLS in this product, so it's also a negative point. So other than that, I hope you can try this product. This is a good one for you if you have too thin hair. So thanks for watching. So see you in another video. So bye bye.